Rangers! A tiger on Earth needs you!
Oh no, Kalia! That's so terrible!
I know. There's nothing worse than the smell of wet fur.
I think she means she's sad the tiger's caught in a rainstorm, Lavender.
Oh, well, sure, that too.
This particular tiger lives in a mangrove forest, but the trees are gone, leaving it out in the open.
A forest without trees is like a closet without clothes.
Something's very wrong in this forest, and I know just who to send to make it right again.
If you want to play hide and seek, this is a good place to be it. Nowhere to hide.
And nowhere for a tiger to get dry.
I wish we could make him a raincoat.
Actually, I was thinking of this. Everyone, grab an edge and tie it to the back of your scooter. Great! Now we land and set the scooters to hover above us.
Good idea, Pepper. It's splendiferously cozy under here.
Now, how do we get the big guy to join us?
Floof! Tiger treats! Hope there is flavor. It's working! He likes them!
Ugh, told you. Wet fur smell.
I wouldn't insult him if I were you, Lavender. Remember, he's a wild animal.
Wildly friendly.
I guess he's grateful we fed him and got him out of the rain.
What he could use is a blow dry. Floof?
Floof! Floof!
Salon-erific! Tiger, you're gorgeous. Plus, you smell better.
And look, the rain stopped. You're good to go, Tiger. Easy peasy, rainbow squeezy. Mission accomplished.
Almost accomplished. We still don't know what happened to the mangrove trees.
We can split up and look for clues.